Welcome to the Advertiser Dashboard for your mobile marketing platform. The top navigation bar will guide you through various pages in the platform, including the home screen, features, contact lists, reports, and viewing your billing information. You will also see the short codes, landline, or toll-free number assigned to your account. Finally, you can view your account details by clicking on Profile, which includes the option to change your account password. On the home screen, you will see various widgets. Starting from the left, the Features widget allows you to access commonly used features such as sending a text blast, creating keywords, viewing messages, building websites, and integrating with our API or Zapier app. The top Contacts widget shows you the list with the most subscribers in your account. The latest Sends widget shows you all the text messaging campaigns sent recently. The Credits widget shows you the available credits in your account in order to send text messages. You also have the option to buy additional credits as needed. Additionally, you can get a monthly account overview of mobile numbers that opted in and opted out, as well as text blasts sent. The Scheduled Tasks widget shows you text messaging campaigns that are expected to go out. The Running Jobs widget shows you text messaging campaigns that are currently being sent out. We will get started by creating an opt-in list. Select Contacts from the top navigation bar. On the next screen, click on the Create New button. This will take you to the Contact List wizard. Start by giving your list a name. Click Add Keyword, which will present you with the option to select your previously created keyword. If you don't have one, click Request Keyword. Next, you will need to compose an opt-in message that your customers will receive when they join your list. It is recommended that you include the name of your business with your custom message. Click Save to create your list. You have now created your first opt-in list. To test it out for yourself, simply text the keyword to the shortcode associated with your account. This shortcode can be found in the top right of the navigation bar. You will then receive the opt-in message, followed by a coupon if you included any. Another useful feature is the ability to create an opt-in web form, so customers can opt in through your company website instead of texting a keyword. For example, this can be used so customers can sign up for promotions and special offers. To get started, click on Web Forms from the home screen or Features page. Start by selecting a keyword you'd like to associate with your web form. This can be the keyword you created previously in your opt-in list settings. Next, select Opt-in Form to create an online web form directly connected to your list, or Call to Action keyword button to host a button that will trigger a text message on the customer's phone. You can view delivery data by clicking on Reports from the top navigation bar. To track the delivery status of text blasts sent out, click on Message Delivery. This will take you to a report showing all the data for your text blasts. This includes the time they were sent, the name of the list that the text blasts were sent to, how many numbers the text blast was sent to, unique and total views if you used a tracking link, a preview of the message that was sent, and more delivery details. This allows you to review the total numbers that received your message, how many messages were successful or failed, and any numbers that opted out after your message was sent. You can also view any delivery tests by clicking on View Tests. This completes our tutorial to get started. For additional guides, please view our support hub or contact us directly.